people are making AI influencer videos that perfectly follow reference footage. And the best part, you can do it for free. Let me show you the entire workflow. First, we need an AI influencer image. For that, we're going to use ChatGPT. To generate the image, you'll need a prompt. I've already prepared several prompts, and you'll find all of them in the video description. So I'm just going to copy one of these prompts. Head over to ChatGPT, paste it in, then select Create Image. Now run it, and there it is. ChatGPT has generated our AI influencer. If you don't like the result, no problem. Just generate another version or try a completely different prompt. For example, I'm going to grab prompt number 6, paste it here, click the plus icon, select Create Image again, and run it. Now we've got a second influencer image. At this point, just pick the one you like best. Once you've decided, download the image. Just click Download, and it'll save directly to your device. Now let's turn this image into a motion-controlled video. Open a new browser tab, search for Google Flow.ai, and open the Google Labs page. If this is your first time using it, you'll be asked to sign in with your Google account. Now here's something important. The first time you open Google Flow, it'll probably look completely blank. Just click New Project, then click the plus icon. Choose Upload Media. Your gallery or file explorer will open. Now upload two things: your AI influencer image and the reference video you want to copy motion from. Once both files are uploaded, you'll see them inside the project. Next, we need to add them into the prompt area. You can simply drag the image into the prompt box, or click the plus icon, select the image, then choose Add to Prompt. Do the same thing for the reference video. Now both assets are ready. From here, we need to adjust a few settings. Click the Model section here, switch it to Video, then select your preferred aspect ratio. Choose how many videos you want generated at once. And for the video model, make sure you select Omni Flow. Now enter your motion control prompt and run the generation. Now watch this. Sometimes the first generation fails. That's completely normal. In this case, Flow is asking us to enable a few settings. So open Settings and turn on all the recommended options. Then generate again. And yeah, this time it works. Our motion-controlled video is ready. Let's preview it. Pretty clean, honestly. If you want to save it, just hit download. The video will be saved directly to your device. And that's basically the entire process. You can upload any other reference video, repeat the same workflow, and create a completely different motion-controlled animation. What's really cool here is that both parts of this workflow can be used for free. The influencer image we created with ChatGPT, to free. The video generation inside Google Flow, also free. I'm currently using a pro account, but even on the free Google Flow plan, you get around 50 credits per day. That's usually enough for a few test generations and a couple of solid videos. And honestly, if you're creating AI influencers, faceless content, or short-form videos right now, this is definitely a workflow worth testing early. AI creator tools are evolving fast, and the creators who learn these tools first usually have the biggest advantage. If this tutorial helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more AI tools, creator workflows, and step-by-step tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.